Keith with Transliquid Technologies. We'd like to introduce our ProFleet DEF bulk system. Let's take a look at it. Anthony, I see there's a lot of upgrades on this unit right here. Could you go through a couple of the ones that we've added on this one?
Sure thing. Of course, we have the famous Hornet hybrid pump. You guys all know it, purchased it, and of course now we are integrating it into our mini bulk dispensing system. Besides the pump, of course, you're going to have the level indicator. With this, you will be able to read when it's full, half full, and then of course, depending on how close you get to the end. We also have the overfill protection alarm. And then we also have an overfill protection valve that is located on the top portion of the Fleet Pro DEF. On the bottom portion, we find ourselves with a 25-foot, 3/4 inch diesel exhaust fluid reel that it actually works. And we also have put a hinge on it. Another upgrade, you also have the Simtech DEF stainless steel filter housing with a 1-micron filter inside. On the bottom portion, here we have 2 outlets. On the left side, we have an opening for the submersible heating unit with a thermostat, and also is made out of 304 stainless steel. On the right hand side, we also have the suction end, and we have implemented a shut-off valve in case of emergencies. Okay. Some of the upgrades that we have implemented into the unit from the feedback that we have received from you is, you can see the breakaway valve right here. Another one would be the reel, and of course having it that it could swivel out. That's another very important upgrade.
Hey guys, those guys that subscribe to our blog, you guys rock. My name is Keith.
And I'm Anthony.
Until next time, thank you.
One more important part, right?
Upgrade.
Keith.
All the time. I want to take one more. I'm going to run through my. Hi folks, my name is Keith. Rolling. Hi folks, I'm Keith with Transliquid Technologies. This is our ProFleet DEF.
Hey everybody. Again, we have the DEF, the Fleet Pro Mini, whatever. Yeah, let's start all over.
Guys, the ones that are subscribed to our blog, y'all rock.
You guys,
Rolling.
how is it? As I talk to many of you, you have to start over.
Rolling.
Okay, I got it. Come up with this type of unit is because of you. If I talk to you, as I talk to you,